Welcome back. It's been a while. We've been very busy at the moment. So, yeah. So, ayun. Papunta na kami sa Ritz-Carlton, Abu Dhabi.
So, yung Ritz-Carlton, that's our preparation venue for
our wedding.
So, tomorrow, we're gonna get married sa court before we get married sa Philippines sa church. And, yeah. So, dapat 3 p.m. pa lang nandun na kami.
Yeah.
Kaso,
Hindi ko na-anticipate yung oras. Kaya medyo, nabutan pa kami ng dilim. Still, we're on our way na, and this is our first time. Kaya it's very exciting, and also meet my wife, my soon-to-be wife.
wala pa, bukas pa.
Yan, bukas pa. Yes, my fiance, and by tomorrow, my wife.
So, yun. Balikan na lang namin kayo pag nandun na kami sa Ritz-Carlton. Bye-bye! We're here at the Ritz-Carlton. Papakita namin sa inyo yung room namin. So, sa slide na to. Sorry. CR. Dalawa pala yung CR. Oh. Ito yung shower. Ito yung shower. Shower. And then, ito yung bidet and yung toilet. Yeah. And this is the interesting part. Ito yung bathtub and then ito yung kwarto namin. So, pwede siyang like kitang-kita, see-through, ganyan. Kasi like walang kahit walang salamin or anything. Butas. Ayun, and ito yung cabinet namin. Equipped with a lot of stuff. Ganda. Yung nawawalang bathroom na dyan pala sa kabila. So, yun. Bed. Then, TV. And then, meron kaming sofa. Sarili namin sofa. Diba? Bongga. Pak! Tapos ito, meron din table. Parang dining table. Small dining table here. And then, ito yung balcony. May wedding ngayon, so. Ayun yung pool, ayun yung beach. Tapos, yun lang. Nice! Ang ganda, Bear! Gano'n. Oh. Nice. Oh, nice! Ito mo naman. Ganda. Ay, meron pang mga nuts and wine. Wow, na. Magkakakilala ko na kay Jesselyn kanina. Ganda. Naiyak naman ako. Wait lang, tawagan ko nga si Jesselyn. Fair, naiyak ako.
Sweet nila.
Oo, kakamit ko lang kanina kay Jesseline. Tapos bigyan niya na agad. So, libreng wine talaga. Libreng wine? Oh, botega pa. May bayad ba to?
Sorry, ganun eh, no?
Ay, baka may bayad din. May extra bayad to.
Wala. Courtesy sa nila yun.
Oo, ang ganda. Dear Mr. Mark and Mrs. Hilario, Mrs. na, wala pa, bukas pa rin. I would like to congratulate both of you in advance for your wedding tomorrow. Hope you will love my small surprises for both of you. Please enjoy your night and stay with us. Thanks for choosing our hotel to celebrate your special occasion. Once again, congratulations. Regards, lovely Jesseline. Oh, tas may smiley ba? Ang kulit. Wait lang. Unboxing ko.
Yeah.
Kahit para Sir Lawrence. Wala. Dear Mr. Lawrence Bugnot, binuo. Parang katuloy, Lancelot, gano'n.
My class.
Lancelot, Ano to? What is this? Oh, dates.
Wow.
Dates.
Dates.
Di sama natin to sa collection of natin.
Mga treats.
Pero hindi pero seriously, like, may iuwi kaya natin ito. Huh?
Hindi, para sa mga guests din natin.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, like, they went all out there.
So, yun guys. So, what happened was, while we were checking in, Hillary met someone while we were waiting for our keys.
Yes.
And
Her
what
name
happened?
is, her name is Jesseline. Hi, Jesseline! Kung manonood ka ng vlog namin. So, yun, na-meet ko siya and then she told me na, she's also a kabayan. And then she told me na, nalaman niya na ikakasal kami tomorrow. So, sabi niya, bigla niya kinuha yung number ko and sabi niya, tinanong niya ako kung kailan kami babalik, kung babalik na kami. Tapos yun, guys, grabe, dahil nakita dito. Pinakita natin sa video, di ba?
So, yun pala, may special surprise para sa amin dalawa kasi we mentioned dun sa lobby na ikakasal din kami bukas sa court. So we didn't expect this kasi ang nangyayari din, we're planning on also eating outside once we checked in. Tapos nung sinabi na tinanong din kay Hillary kung anong oras tayo alis at anong oras babalik, na curious din kami pero we didn't expect much kasi
Oo. Akala ko like wine lang or something yun na yun. Kasi
siguro,
tinanong ko nainom eh. Sabi ko, ay hindi naman ako buntis. Kaya sabi ko, hindi nainom, hindi kami buntis.
Kaya na-expect namin, mga small treats lang na courtesy ng hotel.
Tapos, outing ko talaga wine or something. Like any drink.
Then after we had dinner outside, then we came back. Yes, surprise! Ito na yung setup na ginawa
Grabe,
nila.
ang ganda na setup, guys.
Hindi namin na-expect yun kasi we
All
thought
out.
wine and chocolates and all. Pero yeah, you guys went all out. We didn't see that coming.
Yeah, so thank you, Ritz-Carlton Abu Dhabi.
Yes,
Especially
thank you.
to Miss Jesseline. Thank you.
So, good morning guys. We're already preparing for our wedding day. So, ayun, nandito na yung mga makeup artists and mga videographer, photographer namin na nakapag-set up and all. And for me, I'm going to show you the place kasi hindi nyo naabutan na may araw. Ito yung view and all. Pasok mo na. guys, we'll be heading back to the room and para makita din yung yung bride ko. Hi!
Hello.
Hello, hello! Onda.
Oo, yun din yung ginagawa ko.
Tapos ito yung BTS.
So,
There's Dice,
Mabruk.
Amiel, and sorry?
Clark ba?
Clark, okay, Clark. Ayan. So, yan yung mga setup nila and all.
Vlog ulit ngayon.
Tapos
ako sa TikTok. YouTube. Kasi magaling siya.
naman ko yun.
Hello.
Magaling siya. Oo, creative. So, yun
Anda.
na. Sorry.
Go lang.
Gusto ko, yung para sa... Ako talaga lagi pumipili.
So, isushoot din nila yung mga close-up shots and all. So, ito yung dress. Ito yung ano, yung court. Ito yung sa reception after. So, ito yung equipment nila. Ayan, marami. Okay.
It's the way that you move, and I'm falling in love with you. It's the things that you say, I think you really want me to. I can't remember the time or the volleyball court with your tattered jean shorts. Was the look on your face? Now I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love.
Ayun, okay guys. That's a wrap. Right. And here are the guys who prepared the shoot.
The best.
The best, one of the best. Hi guys. Okay. So sila yung Binangkal Media. And yeah, I reached out to them kasi naghahanap ako ng videographer at photographer for proposal. And I came across Amiel's Instagram page. From there, I already knew I've already found the guy for the shoot. And then from there on, sila yung nag-set up ng shoots and videos and all. And of course, my one and only, na-appreciate niya din yung mga shoots niya.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Pahinga mo na.
No problem, rest well.
So, ilang minutes na lang. On the way na tayo sa...
Yes. We have a few more para mag-freshen up and ayos na yung mga gamit and all.
So, check out time and then afterwards, we're gonna go to Judicial Court and then there.
Yeah. Then,
Mamaya, hawa!
mamaya pa. Yeah. Much Amiel. Appreciate your efforts. Ayan. Okay guys, ito si Amiel, yung videographer.
Ma-discover.
Ayan, sila yung Binangkal group. Yeah, no problem. Walang problema. Okay.
Ito na. Mag-prioritize mo yung family.
Hello guys! Finally! Woo! It happened! We're already husband and wife! Woo! Ayun, so yeah, sorry we came back late kasi we've focused on other stuff like yung pag-check out ng hotel plus syempre yung court. Kailangan yung continuous photoshoot na plano din namin, tapos yung other stuff outside the court. And it was a success. Thank you again guys. We appreciate your efforts and all.
Especially yung Binangkal Media.
Yeah, Binangkal Media. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. Hello and good morning guys. Sarap ng tulog namin. Yes, so yeah, last night we came late sa check-in dito sa Dubai Road, and at the same time ubos yung energy namin. Kulang sa tulog, gutom pa kami. So pinakita ko lang yung B-roll shot last night dito sa Roof Hotel, tapos yung itsura ng pwesto ng hotel room namin. So yeah. And here is my lovely wife. Hello. So yun. So yeah, going back. Mag-view kami sa poolside, and at the same time we will check the facilities dito sa road. Birch. Tapos I rove you. Ayan, and here is my lovely wife again. Hello.
Hi. This is where I am.
Yeah. So lovely today. So beautiful.
Not you.
First kissing scene. So yun, we have a few hours left before we check out and all. So i-review namin yung area, and we will check out the I believe there's a ping pong table and other football as well. So yun. So after checking the pool out, we'll take a few photos and all, B-roll, and we will have a room tour later and all. So yeah, check you back in later. All right, see ya guys.